Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to transform fluid solutions into a mist or fog. For this we need a piezoelectric element, but how do I make it work to get that magnificent fog? The piezoelectric element needs to vibrate at a high frequency to cut off the fluid and produce the droplets. For this, we will use an oscillator based on the 555 IC we built previously, which drives a MOSFET, like an IRF Z 44. Soldering a 10 kilo ohm resistor called pull-down resistor between grid and source. It forces the gate to 0 volts when no signal is applied. This MOSFET acts as a switch pushing power through an inductor. This inductor limits the maximum current that flows through the transistor when it turns on, and additionally increases the voltage that is applied to piezo element when the transistor turns off, like in a simple boost converter. Connect the inductor to the drain. Next, connect the cathode of the diode to the other terminal of the inductor. Connect a 100 to 470 nanofarad capacitor to the drain. Connect the piezo wire, one to the other terminal of the capacitor, and the second to the source of the MOSFET or ground. Connect the VCC wire to the anode of the diode and the ground wire to source. Use 10 ohm resistor as a gate resistor. Now take a small heat sink for the MOSFET. This is because it can get hot during switching. In place, secure it with a 3 mm screw. Use an oscillator. This circuit tells the piezo disc how fast to vibrate. Usually need around 110 kHz to 115 kHz. If you'd like, there's a link to a video showing how to build this generator in the description. Connects the VCC and ground wires together. Connect the generator output to the MOSFET gate via the 10 ohm resistor. It's a piezoelectric disc. It converts an alternating electrical charge into an ultrasonic mechanical vibration. Now our setup is ready. Power it with 5 volts DC and let's see what happens. For the test, I used a bottle cap and put a little water into it. Then place the disc on the surface of the water without submerging it, as you can see. Turn the power on and adjust the generator potentiometer until you get the correct resonant frequency of the disc. It will start to vibrate and emit mist. As you can see, the circuit is perfectly working and making good amount of mist. In this case, the resonant frequency of the piezoelectric element is around 111 kHz. Increasing the voltage and looking. Wow! The mist is even more intense and spectacular at 12 volts. This is due to the MOSFET, which partially opens at 5 volts but needs 12 volts to open fully. The project works correctly, however, there are a few points to clarify. For the generator, the 100 microfarad capacitor between pins 1 and 8 of the 555 IC must be removed. For the inductor, the main element in an LC resonance circuit. We performed several tests with different inductors before choosing this one. There is no code on these components, but I believe a value between 200 and 300 microhenries would be appropriate. There are several applications for this device. Piezoatomizers can be found in air humidifiers. In aroma diffusers, where water is mixed with essential oils to create a cool, fragrant mist. In sprayers and dispensers, such as paint sprayers. And for creating a cool fog for plants or decoration. This also applies in the medical field, specifically in nebulizers. Commonly used to treat asthma. Delivers medicine through tiny aerosols that are inhaled. I hope you liked this topic and have fun. Please press like and subscribe. See you in the next video.